So in this video, I've created a comprehensive Monday.com tutorial from start to finish. Everything you need to know to go from a simple beginner to a professional in Monday.com. Now, that's from my own experience. That's what I would consider a professional. Now, maybe there's other things, and I would say there's other things to learn in Monday.com, because I do believe there's always new things to learn on Monday.com, especially they're updating Monday.com, so there's always new things to learn in Monday.com. So without further ado, let's jump right in this video. Excuse me. I'm gonna start first with the plan, then I'm gonna move on to the step or the next thing, right? So if you're looking for something like you want to start a business on Monday.com, so you're looking for the ideal plan now when you start a business on Monday.com. Here I'm gonna explain to you exactly from my own perspective which plan you should consider. So maybe you are a solo entrepreneur or to a large enterprise. I'll show you, I'll talk with you, I'll explain. Sorry. So I'll explain which plan you should consider. So there are a few options here. We have 3 plans, but as you can see, I can downgrade to free plan because I've already used, like, when you sign up to Monday.com, this is something I really like. It's gonna give you like your pro plan, seriously. You just create an account, it's gonna give you pro plan for 13 days, which is just amazing. It's really nice. So if you are a free plan, if you're free plan, it's a good option for you, for a small team exploring this Monday.com and the project management. It's excellent way to get started, and though it comes with some limitations, as your team expands and your business become more complex, you'll want to explore the paid plans. Now, the basic plan here is a great choice for smaller teams just starting out, including all the necessary tools for tracking and projects. But as you can see here in the pro version includes a lot of pro features that you will miss if you don't get the pro version. But it's still, basic plan is still a great option for small teams. And also the standard option, we also have the standard offers more, like features like calendar and advanced automations, really making it ideal for teams needing enhanced collaboration. So now, if your project demands top tier management, I think the pro version, the pro plan could be your best option. So it comes with comprehensible features like workload management and priority support, which is very essential if you have a problem to contact support. Perfect for handling complex workflows for large enterprises with specific needs, and that's an enterprise plan. We also have an enterprise plan, and that's essential, of course, for enterprises. But you will need to contact Monday.com directly for custom code. Now, take your time deciding. Monday.com provides a free 40-day trial of the pro plan. As I said, I'm currently on the 12-day, not 13, sorry, 14-day trial of the pro plan. Try it out, see which features meet your needs, and choose the plan that helps you master your project. Choose the plan. When I'm choosing a plan, I'm gonna share with you guys. I'm not just, okay, I'm gonna pick this plan. No, I'm just thinking what features I need for my business. I'm gonna pick those features that I need for my business. Otherwise, I'm not just gonna pick a random plan. I need this feature, I need this feature time trend. Of course, I'm going to click this plan. I'm going to click this plan. Otherwise, no. So now let's move to the next step.